latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In a recent development, the Railway Ministry cancelled the tender for manufacturing 44 semi-high-speed Vande Bharat trains. This development comes after 6 companies including CRRC Pioneer Electric submitted bids for semi-high-speed Vande Bharat trains. Tender for manufacturing 44 semi-high-speed Vande Bharat train sets have been cancelled. A fresh tender will be floated within a week as per revised public procurement norms, giving preference to local suppliers. Out of the 6 companies, CRRC Pioneer Electric was the front-runner in bagging the tender for 44 semi-high-speed Vande Bharat trains. CRRC Pioneer Electric Company is a joint venture between China-based CRRC Yongzhi Electric Company and Gurugram-based Pioneer Philmed Private Limited. The Railway Ministry further said that fresh tenders will be floated within a week as per revised public procurement. However, the Railway Ministry did not reveal any specific reason behind the cancellation of the tender. According to reports, Railways wanted a domestic entity to back the tender to manufacture the Vande Bharat trains. The Railways is keen to ensure that a purely domestic entity backs the tender, and once it was felt that the Chinese JV was a frontrunner for the project, it was scrapped. According to railway officials, the new tender will be aimed to give a push to the centre's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The tender has been scrapped after the Chinese JV was shortlisted and was likely to back the contract. The new tender will be aimed to give impetus to the government's Atmanirbhar Bharat mission and promote Indian firms. Incidentally, Indian Railways Integral Coach Factory had floated a tender for manufacturing 44 semi-high-speed Vande Bharat trains on July 10th. However, this development comes at a time of increased tension between India and China at the line of actual control in Ladakh. Earlier, the Railways had also scrapped a tender for thermal cameras meant for COVID-19 surveillance. Several Indian firms had alleged that the tender specifications favored a Chinese company. On the other hand, Confederation of All India Traders had also objected to the bid placed by a Chinese joint venture for manufacturing Vande Bharat trains. The traders' body wrote a letter to Union Railway Minister Piyush Goyal urging him not to allow the bid placed by the Chinese joint venture company. We appreciate several steps taken by the Union government and your ministry as well to block Chinese companies for their participation in railways, highways, and other infrastructure-related projects. As part of our Boycott Chinese campaign we began on June 10, 2020, under our mission statement Bharatiya Samna Hamara Abhiman, we request you to please not allow Chinese state-owned CRRC Corporation to participate in global tenders for semi-high-speed indigenous train 18 project of Indian Railways. Vande Bharat trains are indigenous electric multiple units manufactured by the CRRC Pioneer Electric Company. Railway Ministry had earlier stated that it might take at least 2.5 years for the next Vande Bharat train sets to be manufactured.